All right, you asked how to find the SDS sheet for Krud Kutter Kitchen Degreaser. So the easiest way to do it is to go to Krud Kutter and the Rust-Oleum company, and you can type in either SDS sheet or website. Either will pull up the information that you need. So this is Rust-Oleum Consumer Brands, and that's going to lead us to Krud Kutter. So this leads us to a page that has lots of Krud Kutter stuff on it, and we'll come up here to find a product. We're looking for a specific safety data sheet for that product. So we'll go to choose a product and brand, and then we'll go down to a brand, which is Krud Kutter. That leads us to a particular website where they have lots of Krud Kutter products, and we're going to find the one that we're looking for, which is Kitchen Degreaser All-Purpose Cleaner. That's it right there. This is the product overview, and we will click on the safety data sheet. There's the information right here at a glance, and then you can click on English, and that brings you to this exact safety data sheet for the Kitchen Degreaser, and the updated version was 2018. And this has your hazard identifications and all of the 16 sections of the safety data sheet. And that, my friend, is how you do it.